Alright guys, we straight piped the Coleman. I actually had to cut away a little part of this because this is for a Predator 212, but I used it on this. Put some heat wrap on there and some clamps so I won't burn my leg on that. And yeah, did the governor mod, so let's see how fast this thing can go. I'm only getting like 33, 34. I don't know. It is kind of an uphill going up this way. So let's see what happens on the downhill. Let's go. Dude, we're flying in. We got 37, 38, 39, 40. Alright, 40. That's good. Alright, well, it increased the speed by a little bit, so that's nice. Top speed's 40. I think one other thing that I could do to really increase the speed on this thing is, because, you know, I'm letting a lot of air out, but not a whole lot of air in. So if I, you know, did like an open, or did something with the air filter, you know, because it's kind of, that's kind of restricting it. And then maybe even rejetted, I figured out my carburetor, then I could get more. But dude, 40, that ain't bad, dude. This thing sounds sick with the straight pipe. So yeah, guys, I'm Bataha, and I'll be seeing y'all in the next one.